Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back again with another video, guys. In today's video we will be reviewing NovaXVA, as you can see by the title of this video, guys. And first of all, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, you can dive into the video. But just before, guys, second thing is that I really want to excuse you for my voice. I'm kinda sick, but I still want to deliver the content for you nonetheless. So if you hear me breathing a little bit more than usually, then I just wanted to excuse you for that. Anyway, guys, NovaXVA is really a unique project. It is not your regular meme project, it is not your regular DeFi project, it's something much different, okay? Because Nova is actually transforming global digital access with the groundbreaking XVA wallet, delivering unmatched security by combining the ease of a soft wallet with the robustness of a hardware wallet, paired with affordable mobile devices to ensure seamless integration and accessibility for users worldwide. So yes, guys, they are actually working on their own wallet, which also has 250,000 pre-orders already, which is crazy. So Nova is on a mission to simplify and secure digital asset management. XVA wallet merges the flexibility of soft wallets with the hardware-grade security of encrypted key storage. Backed by XVA, Nova's native utility token. So yes, they have the token, and currently, guys, it is in a pre-sale phase. So a lot of you have been asking me on my Instagram, on my Telegram, and in the comments of the last videos about some pre-sale opportunities, because all of you want to jump in those pre-sales. So yeah, this one is in fact a pre-sale. It is backed the utility token. As you can see, over 250,000 devices pre-order projected for 2025, industry leading 200% APY as well, compounded and paid weekly. So they have it all explained in their white paper, in which we will also jump in a second. So if you want to purchase those XVAs, currently, I don't know when you see this video, it could be on the next price level. Although if you want to buy, you just click buy XVA, and then it will drop you into this website right here, and through here you can purchase your XVA. The minimum is 2,700, so that's about 80 bucks, as you can see. So that's the minimum purchase. They accept Tether, they accept USDT, BNB, Ethereum, so you are and AVL, so you are good to go with your purchase if you want. But let's get back for a moment to the main page, and let's also let me introduce you a little bit more into them. So they are transforming mobile technology by embedding advanced digital wallet security directly into smartphones, guys. Using hardware level encryption, the XVA wallet delivers unmatched protection for sensitive data such as private keys, tackling key security challenges in managing digital assets. At the heart of the innovation is their token, the native utility powering the project. So 250,000 wallet pre-orders already secured for 2025. As I said, Nova is emerging as one of the most anticipated pre-sales this year, guys. So this is really cool. They also have a bonus XVA rewards and exceptional 200% APY, which is crazy. So what is Nova exactly, guys? Nova is basically addressing global challenges in secure and affordable technology access, with initial traction in underserved communities where financial inclusion gaps are most evident. By introducing advanced mobile devices paired with the innovative XVA wallet, combining the convenience of a soft wallet with the security of hardware wallet, Nova is addressing critical security challenges in managing digital assets. So these tools empower individuals with seamless access to digital banking, e-commerce, and essential financial services, making them universally valuable. Backed by strong partnerships and commitment to innovation, Nova is really set to reshape digital access and security for diverse markets across the globe. And don't just take my word for it, because if you go to their white paper, you can go and navigate into partnerships, and then you can see what kind of partnerships they have established, and they have established quite a lot of them with really big players, guys. For example, you have even Juventus Limited here, GIG Logistics, MTN Nigeria, which is basically, I mean, they explained here, so it's not gonna be like I know a lot of things, but I'm well aware of that, in fact, that MTN is the largest mobile network with 76 million plus subscribers. So then you also have Open Telecom, as you can see, Sandprince, QuickTech Technologies, and then you also have some finance networks. So really they do have a lot of partners, guys, and they are global partners. If you click on this map, you can see that they have partnerships established pretty much worldwide, which is great to see. Africa, which is also great market. India, obviously big crypto market, and currently getting more regulated for crypto, so hoping for our fellow Indians that they can finally access crypto easily and start investing, because they have some challenges as well, obviously, but it's nice to see. So they have the introduction here, they have all the information, they have the solution of their wallet, which I really like as well, and all that stuff, guys. So they are basically solving the challenges of security risks and accessibility in crypto wallets, right? So you have the problem, that is most known for hot wallets, that they are essentially not as safe because someone can hack into your computer or use some kind of social engineering scam, and then you could be losing your crypto. So that's the problem with hot wallets, and they're coming here with a solution, right? So NovaXVA introduces a groundbreaking ecosystem that unites advanced wallet security with high performance, affordable smartphones. By addressing the critical gaps in both cryptocurrency storage and mobile accessibility, NovaXVA provides a comprehensive solution designed for the modern digital economy. So you have information about their advanced security architecture, you have quantum resistant encryption, you have isolated hardware environment, and you also have intuitive key recovery in case you lose your key. So obviously there has to be some kind of way, to get access to your funds back if it happens. Functionality, obviously it's important to be multi-chain compatible, and absolutely they are. Integrated DEX and trading tools, which is also cool because you will be able to swap your tokens directly through the wallet, how I understand it, directly within the application. Staking and rewards, so you'll be able to stake your tokens, stake your XVA and get rewarded for that, which is also pretty cool because you can let your tokens work for you instead of just waiting for price appreciation. Then we also have web integration and cross-device usability. So how I see it is that you probably would be able to integrate with Web3 apps such as like Uniswap and stuff like that, and self-custody cryptography. So these are the Nova smartphones that are going to work with the wallet directly. So if we scroll down to the website, we can see the XVA wallet, cutting-edge hybrid wallet for unparalleled security and accessibility in digital asset management, and XVA Mobile, which is a secure smartphone platform optimized for connectivity, privacy, and with hardware-level security for XVA. And you have a nice little sneak peek, right, of how the wallet looks, which is very cool. So that's how it looks like here. Then we also have some more information about the partners, those that I just showed you in the white paper, guys. They also have their airdrop, which I wanted to invite you at the end of the video, but let's actually do it now as we are on the page here. So they have the airdrop, as you can see. Welcome to Nova, 100k XVA plus bonus USDT challenge. You have to complete some simple tasks here, guys. If you want to participate, I will link it down below in the description. It's worth doing it because even if you are between 300 and 1000th place, you always get some free XVA 57 in this case. So it's cool. I mean, why not try, right? So the airdrop link will be down below in the description of this video. You have all the tasks explained on Zilli page, which you can access by clicking join now. So that's the case here. Speaking of the case and target audience, they are also targeting obviously a huge growth market. As you can see, global digital wallet market was valued at approximately $2 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach almost 8 billion by 2030. So this is huge, growing 20.58% during the forecast period. And similarly, the 5G smartphone market was also valued to 190 billion in 2024 and is expected to reach I don't even know, that's a lot, billions by 2034, and this is 32% increase. So they are expanding into highly growing market, guys, and they are also providing you with a real solution, which is why I think they have a huge chance to be the major player in crypto game and in wallets overall. On top of that, they have a nice team, guys. They have a nice and experienced team, fully transparent team as well. You can go ahead and check out their LinkedIn profiles. They also have a marketing team, 14 members, product development, administration, obviously CEO, CTO, CMO, right? So all of the guys that are needed to lead this to a success. So really cool team. I've checked their backgrounds and I can tell you that they really look pretty experienced. Especially the CEO, so big shout out to him. What else I can tell you guys? Well, obviously the wallet, right? It will be set to launch on the App Store, and everything regarding that is available on their roadmap. So if you go to product roadmap, then we can go ahead and see when those things will start to be available. So June 2025, we are looking at the wallet launch live on App Store and web, mobile product launch and pre-order campaign, as you can see, and then August there will be mobile devices shipped. So first 10,000 devices, they will be shipping those via distribution contracts, then expansion to secondary market, targeting currently the African countries, strengthen e-commerce sales and financing options, buy now pay later, which is also pretty cool, launch localized marketing campaigns, as you can see, strengthening the brand, developing, and also the web-free browser extension. So they have a lot of plans. They are very ambitious, and you know that your boy, first of all, likes ambitious projects, and second of all, likes the projects that deliver their promises. Okay, so it's always nice to see that these guys are doing it. They also have this deck, so if you want to like learn more or pitch this to someone, show it to your friends, they can also use the deck. Just wanted to point it out. It's available here in the deck section, so it's kind of cool that they have this. And last but not least, guys, I wanted to speak few words about the token in itself, because as I said, it's a utility token. This is their native token of their Nova network, and it is built on Binance Smart Chain, so you know your boy, known for the BSC gems, bringing you this one, you know, you can appreciate it by leaving a like. So they offer multiple benefits and utilities, including staking rewards. So obviously, as I said, you can let your money work for you. Exclusive access and cost benefits, where you will be able to gain early access to Nova products, enjoy discounted or Nova mobile devices, and benefit from reduced wallet transaction fees by staking XVA. Also different monthly airdrops and governance participation, so that you know the holders will have an active participation within the project by deciding what to do next. So there will be different votings, project planning, decision making. You know, I always like governance, I always like DAOs. It's cool. Community driven projects are always something that I appreciate a lot. We have the tokenomics here, as you can see, 2% pre-seed sale, 7% seed sale, 13% for public sale, 20% allocated for rewards and staking, 10% for ecosystem development, 10% for liquidity, 7% for the team, which I mean is pretty fair, especially considering the fact that all of these are vested. So we have the vesting periods here, and they have 12-month cliffed and then 12-month linear vesting. So obviously they are here for the long term. I mean, who would sell their own token, you know, after launch? It would be stupid. So they are not selling, let me tell you that. Advisory 4% with 6-month cliff and 6-month linear, and then there is also 29% for reserve with 12-month linear vesting. So that gives us total supply of 896 million. You have the information about the token timeline, sale details, what is the price, how exactly it will look. Public sale, as you can see, it will be jumping to 8 cents, so still early when it comes to the pricing. So going to the website, we can also see their key features, their mobile, market momentum and growth. So they are also saying how much they have, how much they are forecasting for the pre-sale, and the units, the wallets itself. What is the potential? Which the potential is huge, and that is expanding global opportunity, which again it absolutely is. Utility of the token explained, the distribution that I just showed you, the roadmap that I just talked about. So I think we are wrapping this video up actually. They also have those news section, so it's like a blog. If you want, then you can go ahead and visit it. They have some cool information here, some nice articles. And on top of that, obviously join the Telegram so you can integrate with the community. If you have any questions, then you can always ask the administration. They will be more than happy to help you. And make sure to follow them on X so you stay updated with all the things happening within Nova. And guys, yes, actually this is it for today. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you watched it till the end, then I wanted to thank you so much for that. Let me know what you think about Nova. I will be jumping in, getting some XVA myself, because I can see the potential here, especially with such a experienced team and great approach to this industry and market. Yeah, they are looking strong, pretty much. So thank you so much, guys. Again, excuse me for my voice. I hope that that you still enjoy the video, and see you guys in the next ones coming out soon.